Hi everyone. Before I start, I just want to say thank you to those who continuously stop by, watch my videos, comment. It's really appreciated. Yesterday I was debating on whether I should do this video or not, but my friend Krista K. Hi Krista, you're so sweet. You're always there for me. And Lisa Lily, she also commented that I should do this video. So, okay, here it goes. Sunday, my niece asked me to go to the mall with her, and I went. And I said, I'm going to go stop by and say hello to my friends at LV, Georgina, Karen, Joy, Jean. You're all wonderful. Linnea. I don't want to forget anyone. But anyway, and my thought was just to go in, say hello, bring them some candy. And I said, but if they have this particular bag, it was meant to be because you can't get it online. You can't, they don't have it in any store. And now you can't be put on a wait list. So yes, I bought something. It's, this time I'm taking it out since Sunday. And it's going to be a quick video here, but I got the MM in the favorite. I was very surprised they had it. I'm not going to go into anything about it. You guys have seen that bag many times. But anyway, my reason for this is I didn't buy anything from Gucci new. I bought this on eBay. I got it for a great price. It's a vintage bag, but when it came in, I just like new. I don't know. It was a little bit of flaking, but it wasn't really bad. There was no odor or anything, but I figured it was worth it to get this bag in like new condition. So I had the bag relined. And they did a beautiful job packing it. Gave me a box, tissue, pretty tissue. So I dropped it off July 14th. Then they called me and I stopped by August 11th to pay for the repair. So it took about 10 weeks, 9 weeks from beginning to end. So what they do first is they take your bag and they send it out. They said it was going to be about 3 weeks. But it took longer than that. It took 4 weeks, a little over 4 weeks. So then they called me and asked me if I wanted to repair it. And if I did, I had to come in or over the phone pay for it. So I decided to go there and I paid for it. That was August 11th. I was going to the tax-free holiday over at Louis Vuitton. So I figured they're right next door. I'll just go pay to have the bag fixed. So here it is. Oh, and by the way, I hope just Jennifer is going to watch this. I'm going to let her know because she wanted to see the bag once it was repaired. So all I had done to it, it was in beautiful condition. I had the interior replaced. So there it is. It's like new. Put an inside pocket. All that, everything inside is new. Still has that very soft leather feeling like the original. So anyway, I thought maybe some of you would like to know what the process is. So you bring your bag, they send it out, they evaluate it, takes 4 weeks. And then it took another 5 weeks to actually get the bag. So it was about 9 weeks and a little bit. So this is the vintage Ophidia, which I got on eBay for a beautiful price. And had it relined. To buy the Ophidia, I believe it's $1,700 for this size. It has a front pocket. I guess they didn't touch that, but that was in good shape. No. and they don't make this in the blue color, and I wanted it in the blue. So here is my beautiful Ophidia bag. Honestly, the lady who owned this really took care of it. The hardware is beautiful. There's no oxidation. The only thing is, I guess these bags are known for is this pops up. But that's okay. I wish it was flat, but I think that's what happens to them after a while. So that's my story on my Ophidia. And they gave me a bag too, in a nice box with a ribbon, so that was great. Okay, keeping this short. That's it. If you need any more information, this was in the Natick Mall, Gucci, and if you are from that area and you want to have a bag repaired, Jose is his name. He's fantastic. Tamara is the one who took the bag from me and wrote it up and sent it out. But Jose is the one who kept me up to date with what was going on. And they overnighted it to me for no extra cost. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.